So guys, andito na kami sa loob ng mall. Ayan, magkain na kami dito tapos uuwi. So mag-boating ba tayo dito? So gabi na kami nakarating. It's almost 8 in the evening. So ayan, mayroon na kumakain dyan, oh. Okay. Ayan. RJ, where are you? Let's go. I try. Live tayo ngayon sa Binis. So ayan, dito tayo sa Tongyan. Ayan. Si RJ, ayan dito si RJ. Ayan. One, two, three. RJ, look, RJ. Okay. Wow, very beautiful. Leon. RJ. RJ. One, two, three. Okay. So ayan na nga, maraming nagbo-boating dito. Ayan. Ayan. Here's the place where I belong. We lock. 1, 2, 3. Hey, RJ. RJ. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. RJ, okay. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon. Maglalakad-lakad lang tayo dito sa labas. So ito yung magandang mall kasi mayroon siyang river sa loob. Mayroon siyang river, pwede mo yung i-tour. Ayan. Ayan, river tour. BB up there, go. Wow, there's a building inside out and inside and outside. So we're here in Breads of Venice. Kaya may nag-boating dyan sa baba. Nag-boating. Okay, I love Venice. Okay, stand. 1, 2, 3. Look, RJ. RJ. So, ayun si RJ. Ayan. What time? Okay, so picture. Ayan. I love Venice. RJ. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Dirty.
Seems like this only video.
Like this, oh.
Seems like mommy and daddy.
1, 2, 3. Look ka kami. Okay.
Let's go.
2. Okay. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, okay.